Hello everybody, Ben Dittmar here again. Pepper and I are back up here on Norris Lake in St. Francis, Minnesota, trying out a few more motors. Today is November 7th, 2014, and by the looks of the weather forecast, this is going to be our last shot to get out for the year. Next week's projected highs are going to be in the mid-20s Fahrenheit, so the lakes are probably going to be froze up. So anyway, this is number 2 video on this motor. This is that 58 Johnson 7.5. This will be video number 2. So as you saw in the other video, it's got a new impeller in it. We'll give you a little show on this one. So this motor got a complete go-through. The original power head on it was seized up with a broken connecting rod. So I replaced the power head with an NOS one. Water pump impeller, resealed the gear case, rebuilt the fuel system, and there's that's how it turned out. And reverse. Back and forward. Got a really low idle. Very nice motor. Really quiet. Okay, we'll get the next run on the truck. Thank you for watching. Bye.